In today's video, we'll be learning how to tag someone in LinkedIn posts, so let's dive in. Tagging and mentioning on LinkedIn can greatly improve your engagement and help you grow your network. But how do you do it correctly? To tag someone in a LinkedIn post, just type the @ symbol followed by their name. LinkedIn will show you a list of profiles that match, and you can select the person you want to tag. So, what's the difference between tagging and mentioning? Many people wonder about this, and here's the explanation. Tagging is mainly used for photos, while mentioning is for text-based content like posts and comments. Also, keep an eye on privacy settings. You can always go back and edit your post, tags, or mentions. And yes, you can tag yourself too. In summary, learning how to tag and mention on LinkedIn can boost your networking and engagement. By using these simple techniques, you will confidently navigate the platform, ensuring your content reaches the right audience and builds a valuable connection. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.